Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Emerald Signatures. You're just seeing this channel for the first time, make sure you subscribe to this channel, okay? Yeah, so we're making a fascinator base today, and here are the materials needed. This is my mold. This is my, you can use oil, Vaseline, whatever it is. This is my paper mat, my thumbtacks, my stiffener, brush, and any empty container, and my scissors. So here is my Vaseline. I'm just going to be applying it on my mold. This will enable my fascinator base come off easily when it's dry. So the next thing to do is I wetted this part a little bit. This is my mat, fold it in two, then I'll use it to cover up my mold with the help of my thumbtack. I'll just turn it over and pin this point first. Next, I'll pull and pin at the other side. Then I'll pull this area and pin. And this fourth area, just like so. Now I've pinned the four parts here, 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 and here. So I can just go ahead and cut this part, or you can just continue pinning until you get to that part, just like this. Pack it in. Make sure you don't have any rough angles, just like so.
You can see me pulling and pinning, and you make sure the pins are on top of each other.
So I finished pinning all around. I'll just get my scissors. See how smooth the edges are? I'll just get my scissors and cut this off. Alright, so I finished cutting all of that part out. Here's my stiffener. You make sure you shake very well. Shake very well. Then you pour a little bit into this container. Now you begin to use to rub all over this. Spread very fast before it thickens up. So I'm going to be coating for the second time, just so it's firm enough. I'm just going to set this to dry firmly. Here is my mold. I've let it to dry for well over 24 hours now. So this is what it's looking like. It's all dried up. So I'm just going to be taking out the pins. You can use a scissors, a screwdriver, or anything. Just push and they'll come off just like that. So I finished removing the pins. So this is what I'm going to be doing. I'll just be lifting this up. Remember, I oiled my nylon so that it will be able to come off the mold easily. I have to be careful with this process. Oh. So this is my molded Fascinator base. I'll be using this for another project. Yes, this is my molded Fascinator base. So that is all for this video. Give me a thumbs up, a like, and subscribe to my channel. Until the next time I see you. Bye bye.